what's up? We are at a local car meet. Something simple, not too crowded. I'm not a big fan of crowded areas, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys around and see what is around here. This is Danvers, Mass, so it should be an interesting time. Instagram channel?
Yeah, it's Hot Ham.
Hot Ham?
HAWT_ham, HAMM.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright, definitely, man.
The fire makes the city look so bright. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay.
show. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of crowds. It started getting really busy, but this is something I'm starting to adjust to. So just bear with me. Right now, I'm just gonna head home. If there's any car shows this weekend, I'm gonna see if I can film it. If not, I'll come up with something for you guys. But for now, I'm just gonna sign off.